Big time screamer. Okay, you put it in beat it up. Onyx, come here, man. Come here. Onyx. Onyx. What are you doing? Are you going to set the pool up for us? You going to figure it out? That goes into the filter. Yeah, that goes into the filter. You think you can get it going? You don't think he's going to get it going, boo-boo? Well, no. It's
going to take for 1 day to get it full. It's going to take at least like
Onyx.
2 hours.
Onyx, you know I don't want you sitting over there. Come here. Onyx, you know you're not supposed to be in there. Onyx, come here. He's just paying me about much attention as I'm going to get it. And this is his little brother, Zorian.
Little brother, you're so dope.
Double dip chocolate, cute little boy. Bye, Zorian.